In this video you will see how to outline text in PowerPoint. Like this is very easy. You just need to click on the text box and then type the text, for example outline, and after typing the text press Ctrl A to select the text. Go to the Insert tab and then click on Word Art and select, for example, this one. After you select, you will get this text box. You can go to the Home tab and then change the font size. After changing the font size, click on the border of the text box. Right click and go to Format Shape option. Then click on Text Options. Under the text field, you can select No Field. No field means this will be transparent, or if you want a solid color, white color, you can select the white color as well. Under the text outline, to change the border color of this, under the colors just select the option black or any other color, for example blue color. And if you want dash or a dotted type border, you can select from here as well. If you want to change the thickness of this border, you can enter the width, for example 5, and as you can see now the width has changed. You can, for example, reduce the width as well to make it appropriate. In this way you can outline text in PowerPoint quickly. Now check out these useful videos. If you want to learn PowerPoint quickly, click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.